Hey everyone, in this video we are going to go through how to slice a string. So to slice a string in Python, so here we've got a variable named a, and it's storing the string called what's up. So to slice a string in Python, we've got the variable, which is a, square brackets, and then in here there's two numbers. So the first value is where we start indexing it from, and the second value is where it goes up to, but not included. So for example, we have 1, and then colon 4. So let's see what it prints here. So it will print hat. So if we have a look at this again, so it starts from the index 1, so W is 0, H is 1, and then it goes A is 2, and then T is 3. So it goes HAT, so hat.